Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to hide past work experience in LinkedIn. If you want more control over what people see on your LinkedIn profile, you can limit the visibility of your past work experience using the platform's privacy setting. Start by logging into LinkedIn and heading to your homepage. From there, click the Me icon at the top of the screen, open Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside the Settings page, look at the menu on the left, select Visibility. In this section, find the option called Edit Your Public Profile. This opens a page where you can manage what information appears when someone views your public profile outside LinkedIn. Scroll to the options on the right side until you see the section for your experience. If you don't want your past work history visible publicly, simply toggle that setting off. The change applies instantly, giving you more privacy while still keeping the information on your profile for your own records. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.